How to set up a form in Groovepages. What's up everybody, James here with a quick video on how to set up a form to collect leads on your Groovepages website using Groovefunnels. So let's jump right into it. The first thing you're going to need obviously is a web page. So we'll come here to Groovepages, and then we can just start with a brand new site for this demonstration. Obviously you can start from scratch or you can choose a template. I'll be using a template to make this as quick and easy as possible. Now if you're an upgraded member, you're going to have all of these different templates to choose from, tons and tons of them. It doesn't matter which one you pick, it's going to be exactly the same. So I'll just select this one and we'll call it example here. So we'll start building, and this is only going to take you a couple seconds. Even if you just downloaded Groovefunnels today, this is going to be super simple. Just follow along, and in the next probably 10 minutes you will have your form up and running. So here is our page ready to go. There's tons you could do to edit and optimize this, but I want to stick strictly to the tutorial of collecting leads. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click on these form elements that are already here and delete them. You won't need these at all. And I found using the preset ones get kind of buggy, but don't worry about it. There we go. We have this empty form container here. Now the next thing you're going to want to do after you have your page, and we'll assume this is published in live, but for the sake of the tutorial, we'll just keep this moving. The next thing you're going to want to do is come down here to where it says Groove Mail. Now you're going to right click on this and open in a new tab, because we're going to need both of these apps open, Groovepages here and then the Groove Mail tab as well. So once you're in GrooveMail, you're going to come click this button that says Forms. Then you're going to click the pink button that says Create New Form. So I'll call this one Example. Obviously you're going to call it whatever you want. Save and continue. And it's that simple. Now you just edit the form to say what you want. Sign up to my mailing list. There you go. I won't spam you. Type whatever you want in there, and then it comes with the name and email field. If you want to add more, you just click add field, select the type, say you want to get, you want to find out what state somebody lives in, you add state, it's good to go. And then so the next thing you'll do is click next. So the next thing, form setup, this is going to ask you a number of questions based on how you want to categorize the information that you collect from people. So here this will add people to a list. So if somebody subscribes, what list do you want to add them to? And you can set up multiple lists if you want. You can see here I have a handful of them in here. You can also assign tags. So by default it's set to not assign tags, but all you have to do is click that and select which tag you want to assign, and then boom, now they're tagged, and all of this data is organized right as it comes into your system. So the next thing is sequences. If you're brand new to Groovefunnels, you'll just leave this as don't subscribe to any sequence because you haven't set that up yet. Now if you've been using Groovefunnels, or if you want to start using sequences, then obviously you'll click yes, and you'll have to already have a sequence set up. I'll show you how to do that in another video, so make sure you click the red subscribe button down below if you found this helpful so far. We'll leave this to not subscribe to any sequence for now, just to keep this as simple as possible. Opt-in settings. This is important. Single opt-in is going to be easier on you for collecting leads, because as soon as people type their email in the box, boom, they're opted into your list. Now, the double opt-in is going to be useful if you're getting a lot of traffic and you think some of it might be spam. If you want to stay out of spam traps, if you think people are opting into your list with fake emails and you want to prevent that, you can make it so that they have to basically verify their email. So when they opt into your list, they get an email that says, hey, click here to confirm. And then, so I don't have a phone number added here, but you could also verify by SMS if you wanted to. And you can actually customize here the message that you send. So we just need to confirm your subscription by clicking the link as the default. You can make it say something cool like, hey, best friend, help me out and click this link, whatever you want to do, control that in the email. So that's that. We'll leave it as single opt-in to keep things simple. Success URL. Now this is another important thing. This is where the person is going to be directed after they give you their email and click submit. So they've clicked submit. So by default this is set to Groovefunnels. Obviously Groovefunnels wants to get as much traffic as possible. So if you leave this set to Groovefunnels, it's unfortunately going to be sending people to Groovefunnels probably without your affiliate code. So if you want to send people to your sign up link, this would be a great place to drop your Groovefunnels affiliate link. Or if they're giving you your email, if someone gives you their email address and you want them to go to the next step in your funnel, well, then this link will be the next step in your funnel. Or if you want to send them over to maybe another affiliate product you have, whatever it is, wherever you want them to end up after they click submit, that's the link you put in this box. So next is the welcome email settings. So by default, it will not send them a welcome email. You can click this to send them a default welcome email, and boom, it's as simple as typing it in the box. This is, I'm really glad to see they've updated this. This was not here last time I looked at this. So again, that's why I like making these tutorials for you, because even I learn stuff as I'm doing it. And here, now you don't even have to set up your automation in a separate step. You can just, boom, the first time you set up this form, you can have a welcome email sent off to them, and you can even test it here by putting your email and sending it to make sure it is exactly as you want it. So that's pretty cool. Again, if you add your phone number, you can send by SMS and forward responses. When your contact fills out this form, you can choose to send a response to the recipients you've already set up in GrooveMail. So I don't have that set up. We will click next. But we didn't select a list, so there we go. Next, congratulations. That's it. Literally, that's it. Now, you're going to copy this code. And remember I said that we were going to delete the box that was in here. So it looks like there's one left, the empty form container. We can delete that. So now all you're going to do is come over here to where it says Elements. Click Elements. Scroll down until you find code embed right here. Drag this code embed over here. Give it a second to load up here, and then when you click on it, you're going to want to click this gear. I know this can be kind of confusing. Most people are looking over here for where to put the code. You click this gear right here, and this black screen is what you want, by the way. Don't be confused by the black screen. You're just going to right click and click paste, and that's going to paste in the code that we grabbed from right here. I hope you're following along. If you find this helpful, you can help me out by clicking the like button. That is going to show the YouTube algorithm that my content is helpful, and hopefully help even more people by sharing it with them. So once you paste that in there, you'll click save. Usually it pops up a little preview here. I guess it hasn't yet, but so now what should happen is when we click preview, oh, looks like it hasn't updated. There we go. Just took a second to pop in there. So now you can see that this is set up and running, and I can opt in to my list. And there you go, because I didn't change the link, it took me straight to groovefunnels.com. So that's how it works. That's how you set up a form and start collecting leads from your Groovepages landing page. And that took us about 5 minutes to set up, and from here on out we can not only be collecting information from every single person that comes to our web page, but we can have automated emails going out to those people, inviting them to come back to our website and buy our products. So this is how automation can help you make more sales, make more money online. Groovefunnels can help you do it. If you need any help getting your Groovefunnels course, or your Groovefunnels website rather, set up, I have a course linked right down below, groovesetup.com. It's a couple hour tutorial, very quick, to the point, to show you how to get your entire Groovefunnels account up and running, again, in the course of a few hours, rather than taking weeks or months or doing all these crazy challenges. If you found this tutorial helpful, odds are you will find the tutorial at groovesetup.com equally as helpful, because it's straight to the point, no fluff, step by step, click here, click here, click here, and by the end of it, you will not only have your own website set up, but you'll have your own product set up that you can not only sell for money, but recruit affiliates to sell for you to start earning you passive income. So if that sounds good to you, check it out down below, groovesetup.com. And one last thing, if you want to get my Groove Setup course for free, all you have to do is upgrade your account using the link to Groovefunnels on groovesetup.com. If you go to groovesetup.com, you'll see a link right there above the fold that says Groovepages. If you click that link and upgrade your account through that link, I will give you my Groove Setup course for free. That way you can get up and running and making money online doing all of this digital marketing stuff. So anyways, that's all I got for you today. I hope this helps. You can help me out by smashing like and clicking subscribe and clicking the bell to turn on notifications if you want to get my content as soon as it comes out. And as always, I appreciate you watching, and I will catch you on the next video.